Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, you are hearing my voice for the second day. Yes, that is happening. So for the month of February, I wanted to challenge myself to see if I could put out more content. I wanted to see what kind of, reaction would come from it. So I was like, hey, I could do one every day. And then I started getting realistic, like, look, you got a million things you have to do. So maybe every other day, or maybe every second day, I don't know. But you're gonna be seeing more notifications for my already subscribers. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you press subscribe and then turn on that notification bell so you can be notified when the new ones drop. Like I said, I don't know how I'm gonna go about it. You're gonna see some Valentine's Day stuff like you're seeing me create right here. You're gonna see me doing resin like you're gonna be seeing me doing here, and you're gonna be seeing me play and paint as usual. So I want to know in the comments what you think about me challenging myself with potentially just dropping more videos, more content for you guys. Like I said, I'm trying to grow myself, trying to just grow and learning with different art techniques and trying to grow this community. So let me know, okay? If you're not already subscribed, like I was just saying, to our new ones that's out here watching, don't forget, smash that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, turn on that notification bell, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to share. Yes, because sharing is caring, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.